Hello everybody, thanks for joining me today on my channel. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama. I come from the blog workanywherenow.com where I talk about how to make money online and specifically affiliate marketing. Today I'm going to talk to you about FeaturePoints.com. It is a website and an app actually that you can make money from, and I'm going to show you how it all works. And before I get started though, please give me a like on this video if you find it valuable today, and smash that notification button and subscribe to my channel, okay? Alright, let's get started now. Alright, Feature Points. So this website was an app for also iOS phones. So this was an app that you could have used on all mobile phones to earn money by just by downloading new apps and playing on them for like a couple minutes and then earning points and then redeeming it for either gift cards or PayPal or other options that I'm going to show you, okay, once we get inside. Let's see here. So they've been open since 2012 and they've already awarded $5.6 million. So here you can earn cash back. So that's one of the ways that you can earn some points with Feature Points, is that you could shop through their website on brands that you will know, and then you can also complete surveys and download apps is one of them, but not all phones can be used for that. And then this part here where you can share with friends and earn as well, it's a great feature that I'm going to talk to you about. And here's the options. For you to redeem your points, you get to use either Amazon, PayPal, the app stores, Xbox gift cards, PlayStation, Starbucks, Bitcoin even, and many other gift card options. Yeah, see, these are the rewards. So let me just show you inside real quick here. Here we go. This is my screen when I log in. So when I first registered, it asked me what my next reward was. So I just chose this $5 Starbucks card, and I guess it is a way to earn towards it because I haven't done anything obviously, and they're not just going to give me a card for free. So right now I did get 50 points for free, like the homepage says that you get 50 points just to sign up. There is a way to complete surveys, but you need to complete your own profile first. So I haven't done that yet, so I would have to do that first before I could see if there's any surveys that I qualify for. And then here you could shop through the site and earn points this way as well. So earn cash back. So when you shop through their site like this, they also, it's basically affiliate marketing. So they have, if you click on, let's say, Banana Republic and go shop like that using this link right here, then this link that you use will track back to whatever you purchase here, back to your account here, so they know how much money that you've spent, and then in time when they get their commission, then you'll get part of that too. So it says you get 2% if you shop there. So maybe they get 4% when you shop there, and they're going to give you 2% back. So they're just basically sharing the affiliate commissions with you. A lot of sites do this. So here is the download apps. This is only for Android phones only now. They used to allow also iPhones for iOS, but now these days it's only for Android phones. This email link to get this app from the iTunes store is a little misleading because it's only going to be to use for these other things. It's not going to be used for download apps, okay? Only the Android apps are allowed to use that feature. Now, the way you can actually make passive income with this is by referring it to other people. So you could get unlimited free points and earn up to 50% of your friends' points that they earn. So, and then you're going to have your own referral codes and link here that you can use. And you could just promote it however you want, share it with your friends and family. And once they sign up, you're going to get up to 50% of all the points that they earn. So that's a great referral program. So they have a new contest section where you could earn tokens for every 20 points you earn. This is new, so I'm not quite sure how this works, but it looks like there's tons of entries already, especially when the price is big, like $150 here, and this one has already over 9,700 people applying for that or entering for that. So there's just different ways for you to get points. So once you have points, you have all these gift cards that you can redeem it for. Spend points. So this is where you can redeem your points, use your points for, let's say for a $25 Amazon card, it will take 15,000 points. You would need a lot of points for that one. You could also just take out cash. You need 6,000 points for $25. So it's the same thing. 15,000 points is $25, same as Amazon. So you're going to need a lot of points this way to earn just 25 bucks. And then you get Bitcoin as well. You can only do it in $5 to $10 Bitcoin, and 6,000 points is what you need for $10 worth of Bitcoin. It's just a very interesting way to earn money if you like to do something like this, which is quite easy. But anything quite easy like this, you're not gonna earn tons of money with this. As you can see, you have to rack up a lot of points just to make like $25. That's like 15,000 points. And when you're like, I mean, these points are not going, these 2% stuff is not going to earn you a lot of points. I guess downloading the apps will earn you a lot of points. You get 200 points here, 250 here, 100 points, but it's only for people who have Android phones. And then the best way is to maybe earn from other referrals. So you could just sit back and relax. You could just refer other people to this, and then you could just earn off of their points. So that's how you can make money with FeaturePoints. I wouldn't consider this as a huge moneymaker at all. It's an okay place to make a little bit of money, but if you're interested to actually make a real amount of money that you can actually depend on, you could do something like I do, which is create an affiliate site like I have. This is an affiliate site where I make money every day on it from referring people to different products that I recommend, and it's basically affiliate marketing. Because if I recommend a product and my visitor buys it, goes to the merchant website and buy it, I will get a commission earned by it. And so where I learned how to do something like this, I started at this training platform, which is called Wealthy Affiliate. If you use workanywherenow.com/team Littlemama, you're going to get to this page where you can see my little face here. And you will want to do this because that means that you're going to be signing up with me, and that means that I will be able to mentor you and guide you through the training. They have awesome training. They take you step by step on how to build your affiliate site and earn commissions. You could pick a topic. You see, you could use a topic that you love. They're going to help you pick that. They're going to give you tools and step-by-step instructions on how to get this website up and running. The actual website is like, it takes like 30 seconds to create, and you're going to have a live website. It's like the rest of the work is actually building it out, which they're going to teach you how to write content on it, how to use the affiliate programs, where to sign up, and who to work with, and then make money with your affiliate site. So I've been doing this since September 2016. You can see that here on my profile. This is my profile. This is the inside of the platform. This is the training that I have used. This is the training most people use when they sign on online entrepreneur certification, because most people do like choosing their own niche to go into. There are 5 levels in this course, and there's 10 lessons in each. And when you sign up with my link here, you could get the first level free without paying for anything. So you get 10 lessons free. That means you could create your website and get it online before even paying a dime on this platform. So this is a great training platform. It's specifically to train you to build an affiliate marketing website to make money from. So this is the exact platform that teaches you this. So it's a great one. I've been here since September 2016, as I was saying up here. And you can see that I've reached super affiliate status. So I'm able to guide you through the training. I will be able to help you along the way. So you don't have to be by yourself on this journey. You should partner up with somebody that can help you. And this platform as well, it has tons of community members that will help you as well. It's not just me. So you are going to be fully supported if you come onto this platform and start learning how to make real income online, just like I have. And I hope I can help you. So please, if you want, sign up with Work Anywhere Now / Team Littlemama. And I will also have the link beneath this video. I will also send you bonuses on your profile to let you know what you will receive if you decide to go premium. Once you go premium, it unlocks the entire training. So there's 2 main courses here. This one has 70 lessons. This is the one that I use because I am promoting Wealthy Affiliate. I love this platform, and that's why I want to promote it, because they've taught me so well. They've made such an impact on my life. I really love sharing this information with other people and helping other people make money. This is the main course, Online Entrepreneur Certification. The technique in these 2 courses are exactly the same. It's just that one teaches you picking your own niche and the other one is more specific for promoting Wealthy Affiliate. So if you find this video valuable today to you, please give me a thumbs up and click that like button. If you're new and you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes up. I share lots of tips, so I hope you'll stay tuned. I will see you on the next one.